Taming the Test Anxiety Beast. Effective Techniques for Test Preparation. Hello learners, welcome to our new video. Today, we are going to focus on a subject that many of you might be familiar with, test anxiety. This is an important topic as many students find it challenging to manage their stress levels while preparing for and taking tests. But fear not. We will provide you with effective techniques to keep your anxiety under control and enhance your test performance. Test anxiety is a psychological condition in which individuals experience distress and anxiety in testing situations. This can negatively affect your performance and learning experience. It's often caused by fear of failure, lack of preparation, or bad past experiences. Recognizing the signs of test anxiety is the first step towards managing it. Common symptoms may include rapid heartbeat, upset stomach, headache, and feelings of fear or helplessness. Test anxiety can be caused by several factors. Some common ones are: 1. Fear of failure. Pressure to perform and achieve can make the fear of failure intense. 2. Poor test history. If you've done badly on tests before, you might expect to do so again. 3. Lack of preparation. Waiting until the last minute or not studying at all can cause anxiety. Understanding the root cause of your test anxiety can help you tackle it effectively. Now, let's look at some techniques to manage test anxiety. 1. Proper preparation. This is the best way to maintain confidence. Make a study schedule and stick to it. Avoid last-minute cramming, which can increase anxiety. 2. Deep breathing. Practicing deep breathing exercises can help relax your mind and body. 3. Positive visualization. Visualize yourself succeeding and achieving your goals. This can help boost your confidence. 4. Staying healthy. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are crucial for reducing stress and increasing mental clarity. 5. Practice tests. Taking practice tests will make you more familiar with the testing format and reduce anxiety. Remember, everyone is unique, so find what works best for you. To manage test anxiety, it's also important to change your mindset. Understand that making mistakes is a part of learning and it's okay not to be perfect. Remind yourself of your past successes and strengths. Adopting a growth mindset, the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed, can also be incredibly beneficial in overcoming test anxiety. That's all for today. Remember, it's completely natural to feel a bit anxious before a test. The key is to manage this anxiety effectively so that it doesn't hinder your performance. We hope this video helps you in tackling test anxiety and gives you the confidence to ace your tests. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.